Hi pilot, Edward Hong here from Free Flight Citizens Association in Republic of Korea. I'm going to unbox a 48-inch Razor 260 kit version made by Skywing today. Let's go. It's box of flights. For the safety of the contents, right? Can you see that? I purchased the red version, and this is the other items. Server. And Scorpion power system. Power. Bridge cuts. And 3 servers more. I have four servers. 2 is for air zone, and 1 is for water, and 1 is for elevator. And this is backup system, but it's not for this airplane. So we are right. For the safety delivery to the other country. And landing gear, start. What is this? So the box. Maybe. The backup system. And this is the battery for this backup system. It's not for this airplane. This is spinner and landing gear and this other parts for the airplane. Okay. This is the frame of the water box. Before the assembly, I look around the contents of this aircraft. First, this is cowl. And the motor mount. And there is 2 parts. They are for the main wing extension. And this is right main wing. And aileron, right aileron, and left main wing, and left aileron. And there is marked here center of gravity of this airplane. It's good idea. And what's the wing pipe? Oh, wing pipe here, main wing pipe, and this is the main wing edge pin, 2 edge pins, and this is the vertical rudder pins and horizon elevator wing, and this elevator pins, and 2 gear cuts and peels and spinner and some miscellaneous for assemble this airplane. And this is the wing strut made by carbon something, I'm not sure. Anyway, the surface is carbon. It's factory made landing gear with spare pants, but I don't know if it'll disassemble. But when it's snow, I will have to change it to skis, maybe. So I will not assemble these parts. And some parts, linkage and spinners, etc. Here and tools used for assembly. There are Scorpion combination power pack and 4 servers. These 2 for aileron and this one for rudder and the elevator. Let's open the box. Alright. Okay. Wow, it's very beautiful box. This is propellers for Razor and the electronic speed control. And the Scorpion motor. This is 3017 and 920 kV. This is battery tape and some parts here to fix the motors on the motor mount. Right, the box is very beautiful. Okay, they are sold separated with the Skywing Razor, and the unboxing was until here. Next video is assembly. Thanks for watching. See you then, pilots.